Hello everyone, this is Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. After reaching recent highs last week, China's steel market took a downturn this week, with hot-rolled coil futures prices dropping close to their lowest in a month. Let's see more details. Now, one of the big events this week was the political meeting on Monday, a major one that a lot of people were watching closely. But here is the thing, the outcome of the meeting was nothing more than anticipations. That were not any big surprises or strong stimulus measures, and that quickly cooled off market sentiment. And there's more whispers have been flying around the market that starting January the 1st next year, China might introduce a steel export license system. The idea would be to take down an illegal low-price exports. If this actually goes through, we are looking at a big impact on exports of hot-rolled coils and billets, which could likely keep prices from going up. And let's not forget about raw materials. Coking coal prices are still weak, and there is continued to drag down steel prices. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, apparent demand went down by 244,000 tons. Inventory went down by 335,000 tons, and production went down a bit. Mills are still cutting production, and inventory is being digested, which is a good sign on the supply side. But here's the catch. Seasonal demand is really weak, and right now we are actually seeing some of the lowest demand levels for this time in recent years. So unfortunately, there is not a strong push for the market to go upward. Looking ahead, there is not likely to be any major stimulus from the macro side. Meanwhile, means cutting output means our raw material demand stays weak. And although the supply and demand balance is not too bad, the market lacks momentum to see a better performance. Combining all of the above, Chinese steel prices are likely to stay weak and volatile for now. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!